Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create poll on Facebook. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Polls are super useful as you can go and collect information and engage with people. So first of all, click onto the menu button in the bottom right corner or top right depending on where your bar is. After that, go and click on groups, choose the group you want to add poll to, click on it. What you can do next is click on write something. Now you can go in and type your poll question. Then scroll down to view the list of options. You can see poll, click on it and add your options. You can add options as well, and you can add images to your poll. After that, just press done. So that's it. That is how to create poll on Facebook. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.